Fáilte Rashka, howtogael. This is a podcast brought to you by Fáilte Ireland.
Louise, Thot and Sarah, well and truly ling a gabuinta shot, and I'm dying to get away gidi átaigin in the
Darren, I'm right there with you. I actually keep coming back to that feeling of, taking a short break and just tugging sus.
Oh my God, I know much in Gavohian to say the shoulders drop, you take in that big deep breath and you just think, Carcalor, I'm a sayrnish.
Shinna Rod, do you know what it is for me? It's like the moment you arrive wherever you're going, you drop the bags, you take that initial little wander around and you're like, oh, it's on Fuishiv Shin. I've landed. I'm on a sus.
John, I'm feeling it straight away. I'm a little bit earlier than you. As soon as I hit the road, I'm blaring the Kyola radio to the Fanoga, Hisagom. I'm heading west Bader, toward Ig, Earn Wild Atlantic Way. The sea, the cliffs, the swims. If you're feeling brave, it just wakes you up.
Well, ein team latags to is hain gur bralum irhinatira. I love it. But on Sarah Shaw, I'm kind of feeling something more, I don't know, Rodaigan Suvna, Kalornatira. I'm thinking the hidden heartlands. Nice little spa break, waking up, cushow and agdolig or coffee, agus Rodaigan quiche the das machine.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? In Ireland, you get to choose your own pace. One day you can go full adventure. The next day you can slow it all down. Nearly and effort.
Exactly, dear. In Shinna there's no delays in the airport. There's no long travel days. Tashe Dasti and Blee. You just go and you can enjoy your break from the very start.
Yeah, those moments really stick with you afterwards. You feel really recharged, a little bit lighter, like you're reconnected with yourself again. The cup is full. Shinna is tachti.
Sinead, and so whether you are chasing that Atlantic fin of an air or maybe you want to take a sus in the hidden heartlands, whatever you do this summer, tug sus the chain.
So what are you waiting for? Din plan dud here a jaar inish egg discover Ireland.ie.
Steve, agus fáilte go howtogael lumsa Síomha.
Lumsa Durin.
Agus lumsa Louise.
Girls, I'm back.
Oh, no!
I'm so fucking buzzed about a rash.
Yeah.
Buzzing.
You're bringing great energy to the studio now, in fairness to you.
Well, a rare was Casula he can look them.
I know.
I'm so excited to use a different part of my brain or fa. Couple or click.
Do you think or fear and baby brain thing like a will shin?
No, but Tamisha and Inisha Quivnu are like on like niece most stuff in the show. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm responsible for something slightly bigger than I've ever been before. So like yeah, I make some stupid mistakes, but I'm kind of I'm abreast.
Okay,
yeah,
yeah.
And like, come on, to Rasharish, what were the dreams like last night? Were you planning? Were you prepping? I must say, Honnig and running order stach agus vi sé níos chuirla chéile á riamh.
Oh, come here.
Yeah.
Tamisha this is ridiculous. Fangly good joke with time and a shock, but I have been thinking about this tema for about a month.
Do you know what you're giving, right? You're like on Posh to Oakshin, and I'm laughing at the day this falls on because we're recording on Wednesday, which happens to be the day the leaving cert starts. You're like that nerd that goes into the first day of the leaving cert, their pencil case, everything is paired to the top, pens.
Revise wise.
Like, you've every bit of it, accoutrement you could need.
You know I went to Grinds in the institute, didn't you?
Oh, sorry, excuse me, dropping this one in here now, institute.
But you know what? I was actually very chill. Fine or test, I'll have you believe.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vime actually. Like, I get my mother now to back me up, but more excited than law you.
Okay, well, come on, mash in.
There's more at stake, I suppose, here.
I let a murtog show, yeah.
I know.
Namoltori Havlum, like.
So you're on a rebrand tour as a MILF now. This is the thing.
Well, please God, Darren.
Yeah.
Please God, I made a huge effort today. You know.
But did you fechant on the tan to reach for play? Small on the sandals nua.
Gurmahagat. I am straight back off. I'm just off the plane from Menorca, in fairness, and I did it just to have a tan, just so I could get the praise from you.
Agus tan grugan adachoma.
I know now it has started to fall out, that postpartum hair loss. But you know what? I think I have enough of it that I might get away with it.
Listen, it's looking
How
luscious.
Conas Murphy and sunbathing lesh on Bob O'Gog, because I'd say you have to go on shifts yourself and Gael.
Oh, definitely, yeah, it was shift work, yeah. Orgala. It was grand, like, you know, and look, it worked, do you know?
It worked.
Like, I came back a different colour and that's all I wanted, you know?
Sorry, like, the Misha H. Veher Choma and just paler I'm getting.
I know.
Is it actually not
she won't go beside me, will she?
No, I won't. Fuck that. But I have to say, I was slipping slapping on the Factor 50. The hat was on though, like, I just.
But on Carriage Cut, on Ig, do you know what I mean? Like, I was really actually aware of it because, like, I like the sleep.
Yeah.
And you know how sleep can really affect you and your skin and your face. So, yeah, Factor 50. It was Mulliganishin, you know? It's Maharkashin. We've Factor 50'd up our face, hot in the sun.
Girl, go on. So on Rev Time all in a good Kayla. Was this the first? So like, imagine being a baba with 3 months old. She's already been to Balearic Island.
That's it. I know.
Because
I actually Kirby texting my dad. I remember my first time in the Mediterranean. I was like, Caherdeg. She's been in the Mediterranean at 3.5 months.
Girls,
do you know what I mean?
People go their whole lives without getting to the Mediterranean. I like, woe is me.
Do you ever see those things on Instagram? It's like taking a picture of this now. If your child ever ends up in therapy and says they had a hard time growing up, you're like,
100%.
Here she is under a little
Yeah.
resort on the island.
Yes, being weighted on hand and foot, like,
Do you feel weird in ish, gur maher, like, you know, obviously it's a total transformation.
Yeah. Oh, my life is completely different.
Yeah.
But no, I'm Fui lá her to make Sían seo. I'm not like bortha fuhi. She's the bra. I'm delighted to have seo. I'm really excited to live the eggsula a but it has been obviously a total transition. Agus tá on sale. Like it'll never be the same. But I love it. I love it. Everyone go out there, fornicate, procreate, repopulate. Like I love it. But I'm just really excited. Like le fille agus le how macav leis an burt agam she. You have been up to so much. While I've been away.
Up to it all sorts, girl. I feel like I've been through maternity leave and back out the other side of it.
I know. What did you birth?
Like I don't know. Well, actually, we birthed a series nua.
Oh, I fucking know. I was glued to that. Now, I will admit, near éis mé le gach ille episode agus mé here mortgage, but I was go foul. I will go back.
Yeah.
But déis mé le gach ille episode United Ireland, and it was fucking fantastic.
Oh, girl,
yeah, actually brilliant.
Yes, that nearly killed us.
Yeah. So.
But look, you know, bo her father mach rowing and learn me during a chow on gurt.
On my shrahado, United Ireland massive.
I think loads of ruddy untucha.
This is like people asking me, am I having a second baby?
Yeah, I know. No, loads of ruddy untucha le tacht, I think, but I think Tommy full up and Liana le ruddy tugri nua, and we have to at some stage get summer holidays. So I think let's land me during now a geary. Sorry, our TV show has been like announced.
Yes.
Ag sa sin a tacht. Kay now when we trace l'art me alar and but like a fowl.
Oh, go on then.
Yeah.
Well,
actually not good to shin. I suppose. Never visited actually.
Well,
does she
surprise. Howtogael lost the howtogael I talk a TG Cahir on or show and Gee for show.
Yeah, and Gee for show. I said Jack near me church lart me out because ta anachud, you know, moving parts agus Neil Einrod, Devna hig follow have skidlux martian ach ta she foger hig hifigul mar she had commissioned the man at Todd and we knew Aaron Rutherford so Tommy de Sul Gamorlishin and that's going to take up our every brain space I'd say own or amach. Yeah.
Well, by fásta den an pudcréile, but by ní bhá den mór an eile. Mar chlór teilifíse mór. Oh, I'm so excited to go.
I know.
I'm really excited to go.
Exciting.
Well, I'm going to talk to you now. We're going to look fantastic. We're going to sound fantastic. Perfect.
Well, I hope we look fantastic. That's an
well, why wouldn't we, girl?
I know, like so many nice Irish brands want to get in touch to dress us for
there
the telly.
There you go.
There's the plug.
There you go.
And Freisin, obviously, Tamisha kind of live done dot in Air Force an ambassador.
Woo!
I'm back. Kyle Mocker and Canal Paris, but I'm back done dot shin. So I'm off the Anya Lurg. Tickets an ambassador. Me Air Force. Kid dot me Air Force.
Ochtelad me Air Force. We've been incredibly quiet. Me Aller Shin Choma. Actually, we need to start the pure run on that now, lads. Come and meet us in me Air Force. It'll be a big, massive party.
Yeah, and on Cade or then sure going to bio.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Melina.
August specialta and then Sarah Moore father. Rimishin. Oh my God, there's so much happening.
Oh my God, girl, stop getting so overwhelmed. It's McCade Laura.
I know, Kay Laura.
Yeah. Okay, book about right. Co-Ragris.
Co-Ragris. Well, Síomha, we actually have to go back 2 weeks for this co-Ragris because we need to bring you into a bit of the spicy debate that has been ongoing in our comments, our Instagram, Agus, our TikTok, right? Agus. Okay, so on Tus or Fod, this all came from Darren going on a rant about pléann a howtogael.
Yes.
Okay.
Well,
have you seen it?
Yeah, and on an episode How to Be a Villager. Loved it. I love that concept. Kaimé Raw. So fair play to us play. Yeah.
So there's a few comments in. A lot of people want to stay anonymous on this, which is alright. So Dorothy Nawan, spoken like a true extrovert, Darren. Give introverts a break. It lacks imagination to say someone is lazy.
I actually think there's great imagination in calling someone lazy.
Yes! I'm so glad you're back.
Right?
Lazy is a great insult.
It's a great insult. And then Dorothy Ella, well, these days, going to the pléann is self-care.
Agree.
Yeah, small shin. Yeah.
Agree.
Maar I think Orinthin or thought idir chorla fui encore the dull new phonic salaba. You feel like shit, ma honest usawalia salaba.
100%.
Shock as ma thought you hate fucking shocked and crack all to August. But if it's only like you in your head getting in your way, you feel worse for not going.
Agree. So Shine Argo and Tavi Michigan right. I was saying I totally get it. Nor tá factoriella churnastacher, you know, like Taradegna Torlu Eganober or like extenuating circumstances that makes you need to cancel the plan. But 99% of the time you're just being a lazy shit, staying at home on the couch, you know, doing something else. Be like, no, I couldn't be arsed getting back up again. And Tarlene Shishin doing your fad, you talking to a Valo number, you hit the slump and you're like, oh, I just could not be arsed. It's a miserable night out, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
No.
And then
Get
there's
up.
the trend of bed rotting and
Yes.
being Arlena being
Scrolling.
like,
Ick.
yeah, I can't wait to get into bed by 9 o'clock and just scroll on my phone, you know, like
Oh.
mindless consumption.
Totally.
In saying that, I fucking loved cancel plans.
Yeah, you see, she
You
a girl mag
do.
got Ash Raw because I do agree with this. And maybe if you're cancelling a plan, to do a different plan for yourself. Do you know what I mean? Like if you cancelled a night out because you're
Yeah.
like, I'd rather go
Get up early and do yoga or Imogen,
exactly,
yeah.
or go on a hike or go for a fucking
Well,
walk in
see,
nature.
she shouldn't egg seal, but I
Yeah.
think this kind of trend of bed rotting and encouraging people to stay in and scroll, like I think that's part of something bigger.
Yeah.
And
Crisis.
they're-
A crisis of loneliness.
Yeah.
No, but not just that. Like I feel like it's also a crisis of capitalism because like the more you stay in, the more you
Totally.
scroll, the more you're going to purchase. Like,
Yeah.
and the less we engage with each other, the less likely we are to like activate and do something to put change into place. So I think it's a bigger plan.
Céifin géad agus cadú bheith, it's like it's tá sé cosúla matán, you know, like it's a muscle. Cancelling plans is a muscle. Getting up off your arse to go to plans is also a muscle, and the one that you're exercising most is going to be your default.
Now, if you tráthóin eile TikTok, right? And this is my issue with TikTok. Doris, the air TikTok. Anxiety is fair or not? Because sometimes you can't prevent that. Now, okay. Amelia, TikTok. This obviously isn't about anxiety. If you have anxiety, like everyone has, I think, sympathy and empathy, and they understand if you're struggling with mental health. But this is suffering from like thinking that everything online is directed at you. Not everything online is about you.
Yes!
Sometimes content is just there, like for other people to consume. So I really don't like that. What about?
I know.
What about?
Yeah.
This is rud eile. Ní féile at aon or the raw. What is it with people taking absolutely everything personally? Narcissism. Like being so but thinking that everything's directed at you. It's not. You know?
No.
There you go.
No,
That's
but
my
but
point. Stop being narcissists. Start stopping narcissists and sitting at home on your couch. Come on.
And being lazy.
And
Jeez,
being
you're
lazy.
full of compliments to
Get
Gael
up,
Lane to
get
show.
up and get at it. But anyway, look, lads, Tommy their Instagram, Tommy their TikTok is féile singa all are at howtogael. Or if you take issue with our very strong takes here and unforgiving stances or people cancelling plans, teagmháil howtogael@gmail.com.
New Fog Truck or Spotify, they're my favourite to read.
Oh yeah, as well.
Yeah. So Fog
Makes
Truck.
everyone think we his friends. Come
Yeah.
on, when you
Tell
like,
me how happy you are that I'm back.
yeah, there you go.
Okay, Arroy Lynn, I'm so excited. Go tame in a shockna. Okay, Avana. So Tame na Shockna show was inspired by some of your activity agus Misha Air here in Mohawkish.
Okay, love.
Okay, I'm coming for you. So not only were you gallivanting footfod na Crinna, you had a whopper mini-series that I fucking loved. You were interviewing envy-inducing guests. Vishiv Freisin bad-mouthing me to the press.
Of course.
Okay.
What
Fun
are
love.
friends for, Shiva?
This is uncashed, okay? This is an actual headline of Ishkrifa, Fadas Misha Air here in Mohawkish, okay?
Love.
We can go wild. Popular duo revealed benefit to co-host Shiva's absence.
Benefit.
Benefit. Come on, Leisha.
Got they on fantastic. Go on.
Well, first of all, at least it was benefit singular and not benefits plural.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
Gurma
yeah.
Fair
Hall
also.
shade.
Okay.
Now, what do you have to say for
The
yourself?
wildness, is it? That we could go wild. We can't say we didn't say it.
I
We don't have a leg to stand
I
on.
don't have a leg to stand on.
Tá
I don't-
much yeah.
Yeah. Now, look, you know, the Síomha Rialcha, it was joke. It was an incredible pun that came up with a classic Louise Canton line, and we may have run with it a few yards too long.
Now, I never mind the backstabbing of that headline. I can take the backstabbing on Rud Knock Faidlum Shassav Lesh na Síomha Rialcha. It's gone on too long.
It's gone
This
on,
is
yeah.
now on reputation of Agam unsure August needs foot it again, and I'm not having it.
It's
Yeah.
not a me though.
It's time for a rebrand.
Okay, I love
Okay.
it. Though.
Yeah,
So
can
what's
I
the
rush?
rebrand? Bad girl.
And by the way, you're not allowed to be Shivani Ridey or something because you're not. You're just not getting that.
Yeah.
Shiva Donna now, bitches. Okay.
Sorry, that's the most Adair Productions gag you've ever done. Someone passed the sunglasses.
Oh my God, no, I
Oh,
got
the shit up on the steak.
I'd line up a fag, but it's meat lock. I'm sticking to read it there.
She does like
Shiva,
never
I'm
there.
sorry, you're not going to be Shiva Donna. Like, with all due love and respect, it just no.
No.
Well, okay,
Ní
fair
féidir
enough.
linn Síomha
It's-
Donna.
I'm not
Fair
going
enough.
to be Shiva Donna straight out the
Síomha-
gap. Okay, I'll be Shiva. Mediocre behaved or fab pizza, but like it's an episode show to Shivja couldn't carulum.
Okay.
I'm on the road to being a bad bitch.
Being a bad bitch.
Okay,
Oh,
I'll just
on the
cover
road
Guna.
back. On the road back
Yeah.
to being a bad bitch, because nur husni mar how to gael douche, you were the wildest and boldest of us all.
So
But
there,
you're back and you're fucking horsing
She
into the wine
is.
now, in fairness.
Sorry, and also
pumping
I
and
feel
dumping.
you can't be like, I don't want to be Shivani Rilka now, I want to be Shivani Donna, because then you're like, because I know, I've been the
Shivani
good
Rogara.
girl. Ní Rogara.
Shivani Rogara. Come on, let the
No.
whole.
No, we can't
let the
lie.
whole-
Níl me to get
Okay.
today.
Okay. Finisha gur rogra a vionum or wine. Okay?
Okay.
When I was younger, I used to shoplift.
You see, now
Excellent.
this is interesting.
That doesn't
Excellent,
surprise
yes.
me.
This is-
Come on.
Well, this is interesting. Let's dive into that.
Yeah,
What pushed you to shoplift?
Eyeliners and nail varnish.
Shiva was broke.
You got in the
3-day Cardag and you'd take a little
Yeah.
eyeliner here, a little nail varnish. Mish agus McGriff we'd be like, it's Queen, if we were mocking up with the work, let me water. We'd be like, don't let her see. We'd be like sliding a little eyeliner. And yes, Sofoka. Oh, we were bad girls. Yeah.
Okay, and like, would a method didn't have Goshka does she know score the harder or something?
No, we just wanted more nice stuff. We were just kleptomaniacs,
Oh my
really.
God.
Like, yeah. I don't know. I like, well, Cap Misha, go Revan kind of like Trave to Shoy Gok Banog. No?
Never commit.
Near
No.
of me good
No,
now,
okay.
eyeliners and nail varnishes, but I was a devil, and Coco, call out my mother on this, we wouldn't go buy a pick and mix without sticking the hand in for a little sweet.
There we
to
go.
bring on our merry way.
There we go.
I did rob from the pick and
Yes,
mix. in
now we do
Tesco's.
not condone
Yeah.
stealing from the pick and mix Accorda, but
Okay.
you know.
Dana Chisha, actually now, I would say, I think pick and mix is a thing in the past. I would always stick my hand in, maybe I shouldn't admit this, I'm admitting it, Rob and Olive from the deli. I always go
That's
and have one.
sorry.
I do.
You're putting your bear into the fucking blind that the olives are so good.
I can't believe Louise is like, should I say this? Is this too illegal to say?
Yeah.
I'm going to say it.
I'm gonna
Hi,
say it.
Rob and Olive.
Yeah, I do, Rob and Olive. I do. Sorry, Sheridan's, go into Dunn stores. They'd be, if they're giving them out in trays, I think there's no reason you couldn't just
Of
sample
course,
the goods.
tasters, Louise.
Yeah.
That's not
Sure, how
against
do I know I want to buy
Narilica.
it, Mr. Sheridan? You know, I don't know. They're
What
all
I
sitting
would
in
take,
bowls
what
anyway.
I would take issue with there is, I don't mind
Yeah.
robbing the olive. I was just the inconsideracy of putting your dirty
Yeah,
hand
but you're
into
a
the bowl
germaphobe
of brine.
anyway, I know.
Yeah, but that's not nice. Like if I saw some randomer putting their finger, I'd be like,
Well,
go
no,
away.
she's not putting it into the liquid. Are
She
you?
is. She
I-
was-
I
how is
stir
she-
it around.
How is she pulling an olive out then?
Just like this. And then I walk away. And then I get the nut and I put it. Like I'm not
Get the
scooping
piss, yeah,
some
yeah,
of
like,
yeah, I'm not like
yeah,
shoveling
yeah.
a bit of coleslaw into my hand from the like, you know what I mean?
okay, so I had a little 5-finger discounts in like
Okay.
cosmetics. You and your pick and mix. Tosag is the Oiga.
Yeah, no, it wasn't one for robbing now. Wasn't really a robber as such. Like, Vrish me anachad rialcha, but I'd never felt the need. Robbing wouldn't have entered into my realm of consciousness, I don't think, at the time.
Look at the fucking halo.
There you
above the
go.
head now.
No, very virtuous, Misha. No, but like, obviously, listen, Owl and all that, like, Vefa, Brish anachad rialcha, but I just never, no, robbing now wasn't a massive thing for
Now,
me. Yeah.
Vibe, I feel brahunas.
No, not at all. I'm just interested at what would have spurred that on. Like what was it?
Because obviously, like you were kind of dawned. Was that you were like was it
Major.
rebelling? Where were you robbing?
Where? We'll probably bleep them, will we?
Yeah. Any collabs coming up here now?
Possible
Yeah.
brand collaborations there.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Could you imagine?
but I remember like our Skull. There used to be Khalini who'd always be like robbing earrings in River Island and stuff.
Literally.
Yeah.
It was like
Well,
Darlington
River
Tower.
Island
Yeah.
is a step too far, I have to say.
Okay, go on, let's do it.
I feel like,
Beep, robbing.
yeah, you'd beep. Yeah.
beep.
Yeah.
robbing islands, robbing things and beep. But also, and there used to be fellas. I remember at the bus stop who'd be so bowled robbing rolls and stuff from the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
I
just-
think Rev Check Thorley.
I think just roll the V out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, at the Jaeger. I think it was kind of like an experimental phase. And I
Yeah.
think you're yet on a Quidini yoga, maybe not in
Probably,
Bird
yeah.
Augusha, but
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
I think, it was just pushing those boundaries and wanting nice stuff.
So
Dakar Breg Nulish and Dara Chin,
Do you know
they're
what I
two
mean?
valid
But our
ones.
theory of Borja, like, what would have the consequences been now if Mammy Davenant knew?
It was always a thrill. We'd be like sweating and shaking doing it. You know?
Did you ever get caught?
Out for the weekly shop.
No. I never got caught. Now, like we're talking an eyeliner at a time, guys. Like
Yeah.
like
$1.99
Ruddy Moore,
eyeliner
Sue
from
Sweeney,
Catrice or something
yeah,
like
exactly,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
you know,
yeah, I know.
So anyway, my eyes were gorgeous.
Shiva coming out the back of Grafton Street with a Chanel handbag, like, you know.
I know.
Pull the car
Heist.
around.
After doing a heist in fucking
But so Shin and Oscar Husig McQuaid Rogarucht,
Okay.
August Steve Rucht.
Right, and it-
but I don't know, Cod Horla idir Shin agus an lá new, because now I just fucking love Rilacha
You
August.
do.
Like a few Sweeney Mir Lane steer there and right from your breakfast there on Shorgan. And I was like, okay, Carl, let's talk. What do I need to pack in the napkin bag now to bring to the pool? And he was like, are you for real? I was like, oh my God, I'm doing it again.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting at breakfast talking about how I'm going to pack the bag to go to the pool.
Yeah,
like,
you're gas,
I'm
aren't
like
you?
10 steps ahead of
yeah.
going Agiri like planning a Yenna Agus came in a Lanu and Tagus like a Vecco fucking like rigid.
Yeah.
But Sweeney Urza, I was like, that would fucking go through their head.
I couldn't be dealing with I find it really hard about Team Lartina that are like really regimented and routined.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
It's
it's
where I was
funny.
in the fucking like Navy and you were thinking.
But is it because you like to be the best girl?
Yes.
Well, you're the best girl.
Girl, thank you. That's a tailed the Wemsa sale, right?
Yeah, it's because you want to be the best girl.
Okay, so bhí me gléibh Laura agus mé Sierra model like Star na Heron, and okay, this is a bit of a stretch now,
Okay,
but I
love.
believe I was shaped by Devil Airs Ireland.
Girl, weren't we all?
Do
Go
you know
on,
what I mean?
tell me more.
Yeah,
tell me
well,
more.
just like Sanaim Shin, like near Keshtig Anya, kind of na húdarás, gloch tú le gacrod na dini ní sinna, and just
Yeah.
like cuaig tú le gacrod, and like you didn't question the status quo, you just went with it. And obviously, like I know go raibh mawama wanna cosúla shin, and I'd say hug she shin go mawam,
Yeah.
and I think her hug mawam shin dumsa.
Yeah.
And I think that that's kind of. Now that might be a stretch, but that's my
but
that's what I'm hypothesizing.
You do inherit, you inherit this kind of stuff. Cadence on environment gur hógach tú ag go baile, and that's the environment that you feel safe in and that you want to replicate.
Yeah.
So 100%.
Yeah,
That's absolutely
So
it.
I hate questioning authority. I don't know, like Anish Sarish, I'll push back, but Don Quidis Mo, I think I feel safest, you know,
Yeah.
come winning agams na húdarás, which is like I don't want my daughter to think like that whatsoever.
Yeah.
But I think that's an cuigur tógach misha. Could have shivshe le húdarás agus like authoritative figures.
I suppose I come from a line of Moontori almost, you know, so there's like that, you're kind of, is it like respect the Moontori, the senior?
Sinead.
There's
Yeah.
like that bit of,
Yeah.
you know, oh, that's the Priva, that's the Moontori, that's the,
Yeah.
but I don't know really, we were always raised to be very navsblach, and like we've all kind of rebelled from those barney of, well, I don't know actually, Shin Kesh Ma, Niliscum. I would like to say, Don Chuidis Mo, Lana Mujna Rilika, being Gama, being a Brad, but also very much like if you have a belief, if there's something you want to go for or
Yeah.
do, then Dana.
Yeah,
Do you know, I guess.
Yeah, and I think
Don't be afraid to stick the head above the parapet if you need to.
Yeah, I think Gnenim Shin come up, but like I think just on road Uwerbriok on him is
Yeah.
follow. Do you know what I mean? Like, but like I Tommy H ag over a good Shin confita.
I think on Togan to be like more Hannah Hishmahori were like Vulchid Chéile, it's an old school which was like really Navganach in 1930s Ireland. Like, so my grandmother had a college education. They were very bohemian, very left field artists, right? Like, and a writer, and then Hogach Mavaher in Tigavy, really bohemian, really left, like don't comply to the status quo. My ahar is a Alientor, like Violador, Alientor. So I would say I come from kind of a very bohemian background as well.
Yeah.
I used to be mortified in our school because there'd be none of this. All of my friends would have, you know, going to mass, you know, a very regiment, being on time, going to this. Never took any notice of that, Savala. Like, my mother wouldn't even get us to drag our hair through, or brush through our hair. They'd be like, sure, why would you even fucking care what other people take? Like, we really fostered that notion in us. So I would have always been kind of like, a rule is a suggestion, and you can probably sweet talk your way out of any. You know, they would have just been like, never ever comply. Vi mar Annie Yifru alone Adini or Fod Team Learning.
Yeah.
Really the outliers there, like kind of the black sheep.
Yeah.
So always rare to be like, and even more so than that, my parents would have always been like at home, but sure lads, we're not like that. Like when we'd be like, well, oh, they're doing this, they're doing that, I'd be like, but we're not like that. That's not our value. You know, and they would have always impressed that on us, being like, we're not like that and you're not like that. So I would have always had that Tamay Diffrule.
Yeah.
Tamay Annie Diffrule.
Yeah, I don't know, like Nora Hogan Shago, like Nora Vimishis of one school, I actually I held a coup. I organised a meeting leis an bríomhide because I was really unhappy leis an gui a bhí cata le gangs around.
Oh my God, gas, go on.
So I have my moments, you know,
Yeah.
for me wrong shay. And then like obviously like ní ein team like leis an realtas raha mar hapla. I'm
Yeah.
not just gonna go along mar sheets in a dini atá.
Yeah.
But if like say I don't know, Tom would in áit paibli agus deran duine atá go person sin only féidir sin dhéanamh, I'd be like, oh well then we can't do that. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like that kind of thing.
Okay.
Like whereas Cahill is the most relaxed person, he'd be like, come on, we hop over this fence and take a shortcut.
Yeah,
I'd be like,
Okay.
how dare you?
Yeah.
I hate a shortcut. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, I think we would have
Similar.
been very like that. We things like that, but do you know what? I think where the Rilika came from. Both of my grandparents were very Catholic.
This is what I'm talking about.
homes, yeah.
Exactly. Do you know
And
what I mean?
actually, I'd say God loved them. They were terrified, and the rules of the church were the
Well,
you know,
the Catholic Church was so strong. Like
it was
no one
called
went
audition,
against the
yeah.
status quo. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
that's it. I think.
But I think, can you have those strong Catholic beliefs and follow those rules, but also, I don't know, be a bit of a rebel in other.
Of course.
You know what I mean?
Well, of course.
The
like,
two things can coexist.
the duality,
The duality
of an Irish person.
of Irish
do you know what I
Catholics.
mean?
Yeah. It's no me.
Yeah. Spatial. But anyway, I think Sinead Gurhánig,
Yeah.
my penchant for Rílacha. Yeah.
But also, you're just a type A person. Like, you like to be organised. You like to have
Yeah.
folded clothes. You like to have a clean house.
Are you
Bit
more?
of speckly in it.
Oh,
okay?
good woman.
Just,
Good.
yeah.
She's
Fair play.
back.
No, they're there in spirit.
Yeah.
Are you more? That would lead me to believe then, sorry now to me really to just over intellectualize this and get into it. Is that more
Psychoanalyze me, please.
Yeah. Is that not more a fear of how you are perceived, as opposed to if you're saying that like in certain elements that you're happy to push boundaries and stuff like that, but actually what you're and I don't know, but you're very conscious of how you're perceived by other people and you don't want to push back.
I would say
make them uncomfortable.
I'd say ní smóg will agla a vet dribbled, and I hate to be reprimanded. Like that's my biggest fear.
Yeah.
You know, so
Yeah.
so that's I think where it comes from.
Okay.
Well, the good news is I married a rule breaker. So
Okay. Well, the yin to your yang, girl.
He makes me sweat with all his little shortcuts and everything. It really stresses me out. Love him. Okay, book a drag. Okay, Anish to Shiv.
Oh, sorry, what do you mean shortcuts? Like, as in, these are the little things that are making you sweat. He'd be asking you to hop over a ditch instead of go the proper way
Or
around.
like
that is so funny.
no, he like early
Come on,
on.
deep dive into the rules he's breaking.
Early
down.
on in the relationship,
Yeah.
like we'd go for walks. He'd be like, "Come on, if we could just cut through here," I'd be like, "I have to climb a wall." I swear to God, girl, it breaks me out in a sweat. I do not like shortcuts. On air length to see, he likes
the long
to,
hard road of misery.
he likes to push. He likes to just like chances luck, right? So if we were length to Sierra, we bought a big parasol for the baby, Duntraw, right?
Yeah.
And he was like, "Come on, we chance getting this on the airplane." I was like, "Oh, they're not going to fucking let us bring a fucking parasol on the airplane."
Yeah.
He's like, "You're allowed to bring like accessories for babies." I was like, "Yeah, a car seat, not a fucking parasol."
Yeah.
And I was dying. And he went up to the Ryanair check-in desk and was like, "Baby accessory, here we go." And they were like, "No." And that makes me want to like the ground to swallow me up and die.
Really?
I was
God, they interrupted
like
That
standing
was
away
it.
from
Was
him
it
being
no?
like near my lash, like
Really?
yeah.
That's fucking so cutting into from parasol.
Like see that like when they said no, I was like, oh my God, it's the worst thing that's ever happened to me ever. I want to die. And he just left it up on the fucking counter. Like we had to just go on the airplane.
So, and that would drive you nuts.
Yeah, it would. Yeah, I don't know what it is about Ruddy Casula shit. I'm just like twitching near a hot ticket Ruddy Casula shit. But that's prime example now.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Okay.
Yeah.
Girl, you
Nicola,
didn't
she's
be
like,
wearing
I'd
you
be
anyway.
the
That's
On sale Dakar, you know, we couldn't get the brolly home from Menorca.
Yeah, oh my, for you.
Anyway, okay. Now to shift Carolyn, okay?
This is Síomha really good. This is okay, Colleen.
Anyway, come on. Okay. Look at. No, don't leave. You're
I'm
way
only
too
in
much
the door.
fun. I know.
only Dearest Shock and Thirst.
Come on, let us get up our notes for the next questions.
The
upper Valera Jane of going around.
The upper Valera Jane of going. Obviously, I gave you upper Valera.
Yeah,
No better woman. We love it.
And so now Codig and Shiv, the extent of my issues of like conforming to Magir Gugaro Shivlum.
Okay, love.
Inishtum, Caraglum, Cerdid Narilika, or the kind of social conventions.
But like, do you want to be a non-conform girly? I think
I'd like to loosen up a little bit, Louise. I'd like to not be fucking robotic.
You'd like people to think, oh, there's Síomha now. She doesn't conform.
No,
she brings
doesn't.
umbrellas on planes. So she crack all the time. I think you'd give yourself
Rock
more
and roll.
stress. You'd actually be more stressed.
Look at that girl with her parasol. That's fucking mad.
Yup, bro, over here.
With her purple parasol.
Yeah. Like maybe go back robbing. You know, like when you're bringing a pram.
I do
to the
not
shop, start like
condone.
putting stuff under the. Is there a little carrier?
Oh,
under
that
the
would be
bin?
the right job
Yeah.
for that. That would actually
Chuck it in lipstick.
Find me at the
next to
Tesco
the baba.
self-checkout, you know?
Yeah, big time.
No, but just like I want to loosen up a little bit. So just cowriglum, okay?
Okay.
Maradort may neil me giri go milk ma inin co dang an erna rilika satá mission. Do you know what I mean? So I want to set a good, aka bad example. The inin.
Buy her fags. Start underage drinking, you know?
No, I think I'll start her on the vapes.
Yeah,
the fruity flavours, which
she's
I
not
need
16
full
yet,
to-
so
yeah.
Child friendly.
Yeah.
If I had a baba now, I would be using that to my full advantage to skip queues, to like, I'm a 50 cents short about, like, push the boundary there now big time, because you've a real excuse. No one's going to be like to a young mother, she can't do that. I'll be like, I'm bursting for toilet, can I jump in there, Hetty?
Yeah.
I'd be really chancing my arm there now.
Yeah, see, I really like queues. Right.
You
Now,
love a queue.
nervy mini soiga, I was a bit more of a rebel. I used to I was known for on nights out going, I don't queue. And I'd know every fucking bouncer, a gawk club ihe, and I'd walk up and I'd be like, hi. And I'd go in. And now I'm horrified at my younger self for doing this because
Well, that's
I think
a bit
I do.
obnoxious. Like, too much queue skipping is actually not cool.
No,
it's a
it's
bit
not.
obnoxious.
I think I do.
Yeah, that
Kate
is
Fogel doesn't
obnoxious.
leave far not Anya Ellis is Scunia.
Yeah, no,
do you know what I
Kate
mean?
Gael.
It's socialism.
But like, if you're
Well,
if
you
there's a
can
big
with
queue
the
for the
baby and the-
jacks,
yes,
if there's a
toilet
queue for the
skipping.
jacks and you're like, I have a baby here, like,
Right, so would you definitely both not, number one, rob from a deli like a little olive, or if you were in Ostan mar hampla, right, and you were ag dul timple for the breakfast, if it was a self-serve, would you pick up a hash brown with your fingers?
yes,
Not use the tongies.
Yeah, well, fucking sauce hash brown because that's a dry. The thing I take
Think
issue
of the
with,
other hash browns you're contaminating.
no, but the issue I take with is the raw fair is the brine. It's the brine is what I have the issue with. If you're just picking,
I would steal an olive.
Anva.
okay,
Would you pioch sus for they can let the love on deli? Ni on deli och their own what are they called, buffets?
buffets, yeah.
I think that's what you're meant to do at a buffet.
No, but you know, being through that, they kind of use
start
using
doing
the
the
pliers.
tongs.
Oh,
and
the
stuff.
tongs. Yeah, no, I wouldn't use the tongs now.
Okay, so that's wild.
rock and roll. You're down here, fucking Van Helsing here beside me.
You're Borhef win ve dribbled, isn't that?
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to
Totally.
just let go of the being Borhef.
And also, my hot touch your blood and my Tommy pissed offing, like, then take that and be like, fuck off. Like, you know, that's a great thing as well to be like, yeah, fuck off.
And
You're
being
being,
when Enoch and some charm at all got to charm your way out of the
yeah,
situation.
that's a bit.
If you get a drip load, fucking figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Joe, it's not
Okay,
that
so
scary.
I have to. Maybe we'll have to do more role play. Okay, let's do role play. Be crustalum there and be crustalum.
What the fuck? Near
Cabral
to yeah. You are a quick apologizer. You are a very quick apologizer. Actually, okay, show Rod this now. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to sit in the uncomfortableness nor happen to that you need to apologise. Like, say now enough when I was being a bit snappy, led the nagging for Rud howtogael, and I was like this needs to be sorted out, so I'm going to be really hardline here. And I was like, I'd say you're cringing at me being like, this is a matter of urgency, get this over to us.
No.
Okay, that's good.
No.
But
if you'd been saying that to me,
oh yeah,
I would have been
you.
like shaking in my booty.
But I mean like sit in the uncomfortableness of being like just don't apologise straight away. Just sit in the uncomfortableness and like let that sit for a while and see what that renders.
Scéile in sin mháthir fum agus mé ní soige ná bhí una an account dána and like ní gabhah sí leis scéil riomh and like bhí si agus mháam a gcónaí mar seo agus í ina dégor and coola mháam mé arála una just apologise. You don't have to mean it. You just have to say it.
Oh, well, she nail on the head.
Yeah, so I
You're
think that's
avoidant of the conflict. You're
yeah, massively. But like,
Yeah.
I feel like a little apology just like smooths over everything.
Yeah,
you know?
but does it not really irk you when you have to apologise and you're not in the wrong?
No, it doesn't make a difference. It means nothing.
in your head. Yeah, because in your head you're in the right. Oh my goodness.
No,
okay.
not in my head. I'm in the right, but like I'm sliding out of that.
Sliding out of it.
You know.
Okay.
Anyway,
okay.
don't condone that either. Okay.
Okay. So there you go. Some tips to go the baby now.
Yeah.
Can't feel like, you know, so I know from our play Scooney, but can't feel like Scooney Trock that like would you nip in
Oh, always.
the
I'm
bus lane.
always pushing that boundary now, big time. Never met a red light.
Never met an amber light.
Never met an amber light that I wouldn't speak. Just always pushing the boundaries. Always. Another one that I do would be like, say if I'm parking up, I'll just like, well, I'll push my luck there. I'll write a little note being like, gone for change. If I know I'm only gone for a half hour, gone for change, throw it in, should be grand.
Sure, I'll just put it nowhere. Like Darren has her own car parking space in RTE. It's on the grass.
Oh yeah, over the ditch.
Fire it up.
the ditch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like
Fire
Misha,
up.
like Martin Whitney and M Coiga, and I know they were getting off the next exit. I'm like, okay, Cathal, okay, go into the left lane. Go
Oh
into the
my
left lane there,
God, you
Cathal.
are fucking
Cathal, into the
gas.
left lane. Into the left lane. Like,
I'll be like, will you shut up?
yeah.
Yeah,
No,
fair,
he does.
okay,
like
yeah.
in fairness, he's well able and well used to. You know, but
Okay, good.
Because he knows
good.
that I'm
That's
like
good
this.
for you.
Yeah,
That's
no,
good
it
for you.
is. It is.
Yeah.
No, I really have to sit with the uncomfortableness of having a
That's fucking gas.
rule bender,
Yeah.
Tavelum, Gachil a Lodge Mahale. Yeah.
God, it must feel great when everything goes great though. Do you know when you're having a real organised, ruly day? It must be like, ooh,
This is like fucking love
just
it.
smooth, like I
Yeah,
do.
that's my life, girl.
Bitchicle smooth, yeah. I
Yeah.
can't relate.
Okay, do you know what?
Hard unrelate there.
I have done a complete U-turn. I don't want to break the rules anymore.
Yeah, I think you need to just be comfortable in who you
Yeah,
are.
massively.
I
Yeah.
think,
Own the realica,
Yeah,
girl.
own the realica,
Celebrate
and that's
them.
who you are, and that's very fair. There's a lot
Yeah.
of good to come from that.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
Knock
okay.
Jassy
yeah.
in the Realica.
Okay, glúis na seachtainna chalíní.
Surely Rílacha.
Oh, it has to be real.
Has to be Rílacha. Yeah, Rílacha agus dlíthe beidir.
Yes, okay, Anna bha.
Isteach na bannaí. Cad é an rud sinna bhí ar an tape nar bhí tú déanamh an clúisteis gan tir scoil.
Sléinis go cormac, you mean?
Oh,
Well, it was léinis go cormac, but...
An congar sin shortcut. Tersúil a congar and son is a shortcut.
Okay.
Sin
Guide, were they going to guide is to steal something? Were they going to skiob is to guide to steal something? And then to steal a kiss is pogue of wint. There you go.
No, there you go. Do you ever steal a kiss in all your thieving days?
Many a kiss I still do.
Oh, God, Oliver. Goddy, sin I canna le robber.
I think when fuck Goddy really sexy. Oh, it's Goddy, eh?
Really?
Of course I fucking
Yeah,
fight.
of course you did. Yeah. Oh my God, bad boy. There you go. This is how to talk dirty to Síomha.
Your kink is,
Thievery.
Yeah.
Well, we know that now, yeah.
And then agus me glurg like on na focal show like Hall Mayor Cow new and near an count show close to go how more like all count couple
Oh, nach das.
as thick as thieves
thick as
how
thieves.
more like all count couple there you go.
Go.
And then on count is fairlums na clí leis na Rílacha new Gael than a Rílacha.
There you go.
Clílo.
Girl, gur fad bu an tú agus an Rílacha, huh?
Is say Lella Shiva you were a moonter, I just know it.
Yeah,
I
you're
could've
wasted.
lied.
I'm wasted in the studio.
Yeah, you could have been out fucking implementing rules. You could have been I could have seen you Nervy Michelle Skull. We had the moon tour be going up and down the Línacha while we'd be saying our padracha and they'd be giving us makeup wipes leis na makeup sa went or nail varnish remover chun na nail varnish went you'd have
She didn't really harsh.
I
I
know,
think,
we
but she
should
shouldn't
on a
oof
trade,
us.
yeah, we should
So
go
don't
off
knock
it.
in and she chin slot on you.
I think
And
what
then-
I shouldn't have I think what I
Really?
shouldn't have but
Let's do it
yeah I know well imagine going near I wouldn't go near my face with a fucking makeup wipe they're dry out your skin
Yeah,
like
but
for
it's
that
the-
alone
It's the
a crime against
Dagur, you're fine. Dagur, you're fine. They could fucking
They're
remove
really
it. They could
mad,
remove it with sandpaper. They'd be fine. Right, yup agus yuck.
right go for it
Okay, yup. So, bhí sé ar come brand new air, but níam héis fé brand new air ná mo gona fitzy ar Love Island.
Yes.
oh yes
So, céir captain fwy show. So, I know tá anna cuid daoine a caint ar lína kind of a tóir tamach gur áir sé as on Bell le dul ar Love Island.
Second fair play though. What was he
Yeah.
waiting around playing an amateur sport for the summer? Like how far Galway going to get in the football? Neil Issaquin and anyway when he gets the chance to Rodrigo Martinez. I think Berbua Fitzy, Ariglat, Gnarilat.
go for yeah
You can
anything
find love.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
And yeah, tá deis actually
Yeah.
arrogant yet of us
Tá.
where they
Yeah.
can steal the show, you know? So,
Agus his character gas eh. Neil Anna go America person that but Tom Shiglan there.
his TikToks are hilarious.
Hilarious. He's
Yeah.
fucking gas.
Yeah.
And cute. And unreiltocht.
So, I'm going to go.
I think he's unreiltocht, yeah.
I don't think you're wrong
No?
though I think Barna
Oh, is it fine? Okay.
yeah so and
Munter Bunskall actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
go.
I know. And like, Tasha, you're into going Brady but Lartration is just too late for me these days, guys. I can't do it that
That's
late.
another
What you do
rule.
now,
Break
Shiva?
that rule.
Break it tonight.
I can't. If my eyes would stay open, I would. But no, le lan of Lartration is just row yanach
oh
them.
my God what time is it into Chulla
Like Lartration.
Okay. Right, okay. But I have to say now, am I going to watch Love Island? Absolutely no way. But I have been, Ronan Mitchell, friend of the podcast, Montage Geishach, has started doing these synopses as the...
Oh. I have-
so I was like, I think now I'll just keep abreast of to what's happening because the synopses are fucking gas
Yeah.
and being commentary really granular. I'll watch that. I'm not watching Love Island.
I have the
But-
capacity for synopsises.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Agus Jaach na seach na dumsa ná gur ógur an realtas nach go siad chun ein gaelscoile nua a bhunú gotí chábhílas trugad which is horrific. So an céad realtas is star an stát gur hit líon na naltaí sa gaelscoiliocht. Boo.
This realist is
Stop
so
all that,
shit.
yeah.
Why are they
Boo.
still
Get
here?
that in.
I fucking hate them. Like
Yeah.
they're making my life hell.
Yeah.
I thought gachtan a cho squeeze for cash for láher. Even like my high earner friends have no money for láher.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
they're just the worst.
Yeah, so tá an réaltas hééis rá an model se níl siad chun éon scolanna nu a bhí goí fé go mar tá an déanra óg ag titim, like níl an lín céine daoine yoga, so níl kind of an cháinú an éileh de scoilna mar an ggéine.
Yeah.
But má tá tá gála níos mó gailscoilna, like I don't know céin fangéid atá ann de daltaí ag freistal a gailscoilna sa tír, but tá sé like 8 fangéid I think ar an umlán, so and the fact that they're not going to do anything chun cur leis sin ar fa how many years away is Féidir go
I know. Yeah.
Féidir go dó, wow.
8 million.
Yeah,
Is it
yeah.
8 million? Yeah. Sé blian.
Sé-
Sé blian.
Yeah.
Oops.
No,
Oops.
Oh, Shay, Jesus,
Shay,
girls.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
look, that took way too long. To
I
do
know,
that quickly.
I know.
Anyway, it's a
Níl an
disgrace.
massa go más na Gael scoil na lads, but
Neil,
tá gafar
Paul
eile.
Gweld Cahoontuk though. So that's a major yuck. And yeah, Rud of Farah Mocko. Neil Shamokalor.
No, níl sé magalor. Added to the fucking list of grievances. The bastards.
Bastards.
Evacuation ruch in the Anne Devlin community is na Liberties.
No.
So tá sé treis tá an grúpa sosiálach seo treis tacht isteach a campus in derelict buildings in na Liberties Shanna Fobatown gur le winter Teelings whiskey agus tá sé treis community centre of Vanuatu and they're like, you can fuck off, we're staying here because like obviously tá na Liberties a tach go mór faoi bhrú. Agus viidir rá like basically this is a class on war, it's a class on our language, it's a class on our communities, or sorry, a war on our communities. Agus sé fear. It's fear though of like falling birth rates. How badly do you have to abuse people that they don't want to have kids anymore?
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
agus
yeah,
sinné an rud atá tiit amachchan éirí for láthair.
Yeah. Okay. Sin dear up is stoga of an Gurmin Mog of Law das a horta McCade Law Rash. I'm delighted. Yeah. You ripped off the band-aid and shin.
Delighted with two rash.
I know, delighted about rash.
Come here, Tommy de Rash Chamal and our card and more fall to Ireland, they're back for another year.
Yes, Gurmaga Fall Tarrant, us Earth, Yen of Aaron Bud Credish Mars Knock. So Mara Dormer Nisluha, be a dagfall in. Could us Murphy an episode. Ain really like a Maliv Shibrisha. Tell us in the Spotify comments. Or tell me the rules you love. Because I love rules.
Okay.
I love them.
So follow our rules and write below. Gurmaga.
Yes.
Done.